Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn the how to use the Spotify music for your ringtone for your alarm ringtone. So if you want to connect the Spotify music with your alarm, you need to download that plug of Google. You need to go to the Play Store and you need to search the clock of Google, and after that you need to go to the club of Google, and here where set predeterminado, this is the option for the ringtones, what you can put to the alarms. And if you pick in that option, you got here the options of Spotify and YouTube Music. So you pick in Spotify and you can log in your account and use that music. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.